There's a better way to run your business. We're DJS Digital. We specialize in helping your company utilize technology so it works for you and not the other way around. Our services include software and vendor selection, where we find and help you implement the right software for your needs, project management and implementation, digital transformation and automation, business process improvement, and IT managed services. Our three-step process is the key. First, we listen, so we can understand your goals and know your objectives. We ask tough questions to challenge the norm. Next, we strategize. We take what we've learned and find the best solution to meet your business needs or requirements. Last, we implement. Together, we'll work to implement the solution on time and on budget, communicating with you every step of the way. For more information on utilizing technology to work for you, contact us at djs-digital.com.